an important topic. KOKBOROK in Roman script. Sir, opting Roman script is a matter of convenience and practical choice of our student. Let's not gossip about inclusion in the age schedule for now. Let's not politicize with our students' future. Let's be practical and keep it very simple. I believe the state has enough resources and mechanism to do it. Let's print the textbook in Roman script. Let's print the question papers in Roman script. It's as simple as that. Including KOKBOROK, including Roman script in 8th schedule. We'll think of it later. But for now, let's not compromise with the students' future. Sir, whether I remain MLA or not in the future, but I see my state, I want my state as an economically strong, as a culturally developed, a Viksit, responsible and robust state. Let's build an unshakable reputation. Thank you so much.